This is tutorial number 16, and it covers how to use the offset sketch feature within Catia V5. To start off, open up a new part file, and once you've done that, let's go into the sketcher. So click Sketch and click Any Plane. So in this tutorial, we're going to be using the offset feature, and you can either find it in the toolbar here, or if you go into Insert, Operation, and Transformation, you can click Offset there. Now, what the offset's going to do is if we have a profile or some lines, we're able to offset those lines to a certain distance. And when we do that, it's going to automatically change the curves and the lengths so that we don't have to. So if you have a very complicated profile, if you just click the offset, it's automatically going to change the curves and everything so that it fits in right. If you were to do it yourself, it would take a lot of time and a lot of calculations just to do it. So this is a quick and easy way to offset your profiles. So to start off, I'm going to create a profile. And I'm going to throw some curves in here because the curves are the hardest part when you're trying to offset a curve. Now, with the offset, you're able to either select the entire profile to offset, or you can pick each individual part. So right now, let's choose this line, and let's click the offset. Now you can see as we move it, the offset is taken into account how far we're moving it and what the curves will look like. So if we pull it in, the top curve is shrinking. If we pull it out, the top curve is growing and the bottom curve is shrinking. So the offset feature is able to calculate all these offsets and curves so that you don't have to. So now let's do another one for this guy, and we'll click offset. And the beauty with the offset is I'm able to snap it to certain points. So this point that's already here, I'm snapping that offset to there. Now if you throw a point out and say that this point is a certain distance away, so then you're able to click the offset and bring that point to that distance away. So you're able to really calculate how far you want to offset something and kind of snap it to that point. Now I'm just going to make another profile over here, and I'll just show you how you're able to do the whole profile. So right now the whole one's selected, and we're going to click offset, and you can see that we're able to pull it in or pull it out. So doing an offset like this will allow us to have a cavity when we go to create the part. So this offset tool, it's a very powerful tool as it lets you offset intricate profiles so that you don't have to calculate the distance and how far you have to pull it out, what the curvature is going to be, what the radius is going to be. It does everything all by itself. And this concludes our tutorial on how to use the offset sketch feature within Catia V5.